I built an app that looks at my fridge and tells me what to cook.
Here's my fridge. I take a photo, drop it in Glowbom Desktop and say, build a recipe app from this photo. What can I cook? Count calories too. It identified my ingredients and even calculated their calories and gave me healthy recipes based on what I have. Fresh garden salad, only 185 calories. Grilled salmon, high protein. Cheese omelet, 350 calories. This was a demo of a calorie tracking recipe app made from a fridge photo. Photo, prompt, app, Glowbom Desktop.